Seco and Crane have combined technologies to introduce the ultralight series of prism poles with a TLV twist lock with vial built-in locking mechanism. Weighing under 2 pounds, the ultralight single-section 8.58-foot prism pole is constructed of lightweight, non-conductive fiberglass and features the newly redesigned TLV lock. This reduces weight while providing the same locking function users have grown to expect from Seco. The TLV locking assembly keeps the high-visibility 40-minute vial on the lock itself and out of the way of other accessories like data collector clamps and bipods. Ultralight poles are available in 1, 2, and 3-section versions with either metric or dual graduations. All 6 models feature soft-touch knobs, adjustable 5/8 by 11 tips, and Crane's patented Topo boot. Seco's ultralight series of lightweight prism poles are the lightest, most user-friendly poles on the market.